clear up real quick. Happy birthday, Mike. Happy birthday, Mike Carbino over there. Last year I forgot to tell him happy birthday on Make Music Day. Happy birthday for this year and last year. Second item of housekeeping. I gotta play this song for my mom. My dad, I have played this song for my mom at every show except for one, and my dad let me have it. So, this is a song that we play for our moms, and it's called Hurricane Wind. Yesterday the world was light as a feather. Everything was so light, filled with color. It'll pass you by, the innocence of time. 'Cause boys turn to men like hurricanes. Drive you crazy. The sun will rise and rise, she'll make you dizzy. For a while that's nice, love gets sacrificed. 'Cause boys turn to men like hurricanes. You'll never know the love that grows like a mother. She'll keep you safe for all your days, even when you're older. But now I'm on the stage in heaven's grave, as the boys turn to men like hurricanes. Like hurricane wind, like hurricane wind, hurricane wind, hurricane. Thank you guys. We got two more tunes for you tonight.
Once again, name of the band is the Moonrise Cartel. If you don't already follow us, please follow us. We're your little Pied Piper on social media.
We don't get to play if you don't follow, if you don't show. You guys obviously show. You were here on a monsoon night, so thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you. Also, I was informed by Lauren that we would be at the Glastonbury Apple Festival.
We will be at the
Glastonbury Apple Harvest Festival in October.
I don't know, we have other stuff. Yeah, just
October
stay tuned,
18th.
stay tuned.
That's right, we have other stuff.
This
But
song,
yeah.
that's enough. This song's called Niagara. We can't go too long about apple harvest. There's like a limit on apple harvest.
I'm excited for that.
I know, me too. The song is called Niagara.
an international thing, happens all over the world. In France, it's a national holiday. Maybe we could make that a national holiday here. But someone told us that Fairfield had the biggest one all over the world. I don't know, we were really, really into it. So if we're gonna push for a national holiday, it's gonna have to come from here.
This song's called Seeing Ghosts, and we're gonna leave you with it.